Here's the underside of the 83 Camaro. Just giving you a good idea as to what to expect here. Starting from the back here. Unibody actually looks really good. So far really nothing other than just a little surface rust. Yeah, a little bit of flake in here, but nothing too crazy. Looking pretty good overall though. Going down the left side here. A little bit of rust flake in there. A little bit of an oil leak from what I've been told by the service manager. Probably one of the seals I would say probably needs to be replaced. There's that oil leak right here. Nothing too extensive though. It's looking really clean for the age. Giving me a good solid look up underneath here. A little bit of oil buildup there. Definitely checking out real nice. Belts are looking good too. Just want to give you as much of a visual as I can before we get the deal worked up here. I'd say she's definitely nice and clean. Give me a heads up if you have any more questions. 419-495-5882.